What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Bill Driscoll channel. It's Saturday. It is about noon. Just went for a quick walk with Jordan, getting some exercise, fasted, haven't eaten anything. But today's video is all about getting rid of this little mop top up here. Got a thing that I've been waiting for a while. It is an electric clippers. Check that out. So just your basic clippers. I got all kinds of attachments, but we're going to trim up the sides, trim up the back, and just leave the top because I can't do anything about it. But hopefully I don't screw it up too bad, and hopefully it looks somewhat respectable. Still working from home, so you can't really see too much detail, but it's just getting ridiculous. I want to just trim it all up, so we're gonna learn. All right, it's haircut time. Let's go. Really good. It's about 1:30. We are going to take some pre-workout, some cage muscle pre-workout, and then we're going to do an outside resistance band workout. The sun's shining, it's beautiful. We get some of that vitamin D. Let's go. It's a beautiful day outside, so we're gonna go with a truck workout. So if you saw my post from last week, it was another beautiful Saturday. Carabiner on the truck somewhere, well, resistance bands, using the truck, working out. It's gonna be awesome. It's 2:47. That was the outside workout. That was fasted, by the way. Haven't eaten a thing. Just had the pre-caged, HydroCharge, all the other liquid supplements, but about to break my fast right now with some recaged. So get those fast digesting proteins, the isolate. It's got enzymes in it to help it break down and absorb faster. It's got some creatine in it. It's got some BCAAs, some glutamine for recovery. So I'm gonna have that right now, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna eat in a little bit. All right. What do you think, Darce? It's a little chilly out. About 6 o'clock, time for a Darcy Dubs outside. So Saturday's going pretty okay so far. Early morning walk, fasted. Workout, fasted. Workout was great. Ate some food, had some rice and some chicken. I'm thinking about what I'm gonna have tonight. There's some pizza left over. There's some garlic knots left over. But just hanging out, watching some HBO, some Netflix. Pretty good day. How do you think the hair turned out? Pretty good? I think it's not bad for a first try. Right? Looks nice and straight. Cleaned it up. Didn't want to do anything to the top because I'm not ready to make that kind of mistake. Jordan helped on the back. How's the back look? Look good? Looks great. Great investment. Only took 2.5 weeks. Well worth it. I highly endorse that product. Wall clippers. Thanks, Amazon. That's going to conclude the afternoon walk with Darcy. So it's a couple days later, but we ordered some packages on Amazon. We're going to open them up and we'll show you what's inside. I did not order this, so this is Jordan stuff. Alright, this bit. Alright. Oh, that's heavy. So this TV mount. So we're gonna mount the TV upstairs in the bedroom so that while we're laying down in bed, we don't have to do that, and it hurts my neck. Also, the TV is currently on top of a dresser, so it's gonna clear it off, and then Jordan wants some shelves, so we're gonna put some shelves up eventually. But first, TV mount. All right. The other stuff, it's toiletry stuff. What is? Oh, this is very important because of the haircut. Hair product. Gotta keep the hair looking good. The rest is just toiletry stuff. Okay, let's go upstairs and put up the wall mount. Okay. Got the drill, which I gotta pre-drill some holes. Level for leveling, bits, a hammer, and a nail to test and see if we are at studs. Also, something to help find the studs, stud finder. So you hold this thing down and you mix it. It works. Found a stud. All right. I'm gonna need probably my ratchets and sockets or something as well. But we're opening up this video guides, installation manual. These are the rails that go on the back of the TV. All kinds of various hardware. Oh, it even comes with an HDMI cable. We don't need it, but we have it. A bubble leveler. And then the 2 brackets that are going to mount on the wall, basically. Trainer program. I'll put a link up here so you guys can start from the beginning and see what we did for that 12 weeks. Been relaxing the diet a little bit, but saw something online that got me really excited that I wanted to share with you. Alright, so we got the TV hung up on the wall with that mount. Successful Amazon purchase, successful mount. We need to get like a right angle power cable. You know, the one when you stick it in, it's not like sticking all the way out to the back wall. It's so low profile that the power cable really bumps into the wall. So we'll get a replacement one and we'll be fine. But it's holding up well. I was worried about the studs, but it's really good. But that's going to wrap it up for this home vlog, workout vlog. Thanks so much for watching. It's the Bill Driscoll YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time.